Hey y'all, welcome back to the Flavor Daddy. Time to cook some flourless brownie cookies. Let's go. Now go ahead and get your bowl out and your 3 eggs. Crack them all in the bowl. Go ahead and pour your powdered sugar in. Whisk it up real good now. Nice and smooth. Don't stop now, keep on whisking. You want it nice and smooth like this. Now go ahead and pour that cocoa powder in. Whisk it up real good now. If you want them taller and chewier, chill the dough for about 30 minutes before baking. Total game changer, y'all. Go ahead and get your vanilla extract. You will need 1 teaspoon. Whisk it in now. Did you know that the average person eats over 11 pounds of chocolate every year?
That's crazy.
I know, right?
Keep whisking.
Your brownie cookie dough is almost ready. Keep whisking now. Check that out. Smooth as butter. Go ahead and add in your semi-sweet chocolate chips. Line your baking sheet with parchment paper. We're going to go ahead and add the cookies onto the baking sheet. Alright, once we get all the cookies on the baking sheet, make sure you have that oven preheated at 350. These cookies are going in for about 9 to 11 minutes. Keep an eye on them. Thank you for watching The Flavor Daddy. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more flavorful content. Flavor Daddy out.